Hello people, in this video I'm going to be explaining three functions that are super simple that you need to know to complete the activity number 2, which are count, which counts the number of cells which have numbers, here it should say cells, count A, which counts the number of cells which have any value, and count blank, which count the number of cells which are empty. The translation for these three functions are count is contar, count A is contará, and count blank is contar blanco. So you can use them in your Excel, which probably is in Spanish. All these functions need for you to give them is the cells in which they are going to be counting this. So count is going to count the number of cells which have numbers. So if we use count and select this range of cells, the result is going to be perfect, it's 3, because 1, 2, 3 numbers are in this range here, from A5 to A12. So if we use equals count and we select the range of cells from A5 to A12, we are going to get the number 3, because that is the amount of cells in this range that have numbers. Then let's go to count A. Count A counts the number of cells which have any value. So how many cells in this range have any value? Perfect, it's 5. So if we use count A of the same range, that is A5 to A12, we're going to get the number 5 because it's counting this value, this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell, and these cells. So these 5 cells are the one that this function is counting, because these are the 5 cells that have values, doesn't matter which value. And the last one, that is count blank. Here, count blank is going to count the number of cells which are empty, that in this case are 3, exactly, because these 3 cells are the ones which are empty in this case. So count blank from A5 to A12 is 3. And that's it. These are very simple functions. Remember to use ranges of cells when you use them, because we can also do this, but it's not really efficient. Okay, I want to count, see if this cell has, and if this cell has numbers, and if this cell has numbers, and if this cell has numbers. As you can see, it's not efficient at all, because like that, doing that is basically you counting which cells have numbers, because you are seeing all of them. So please left click, drag to select a range of cells, and then press enter to do it. If you have any questions, as always, send me a message or anything, and I will see you in class.